Dad, I want you to tell me that you love me because I'm recording you right now. Tell me you love me.
I love you.
Oh. I love you too. Wow, this sounds like a miracle.
Hey, Grandpa. Hey, tell Grandpa this is David, and I tell him I'm thinking he's like a Rolex.
He's already on the phone with his speakerphone.
Yeah, Grandpa, you're like a Rolex. You just keep on ticking.
That's not a Rolex. That's the Energizer Bunny.
Well, there you go. That one. The Energizer Bunny too. That's true. Yeah. Takes a lick and keeps on ticking.
It's a Timex.
Timex. We love you, Grandpa. All right. Here's my mom.
I'm here, Dad. I'm listening. I can hear you. Uh-huh. All right. You want me to fly out there and then drive you back here? No. What? Oh, send you gas money? No, you need to fly out here. You can't drive. It'll take you 3 days to drive. Yeah, you better stay alive for that.
He told us to go start polishing it up when he'll be there.
Hey, I know it. Right, which is exactly why if you fly out here, that would be the smart thing for you to do. You get out here quicker. You need to fly out here so you can get out here quicker and collect.
No, he has to drive to be able to collect it.
Oh, okay. All right. So I'll come out there and drive him back.
No, he has to drive. You say he drove on.
Well, I'll just let him pull into the driveway, and Scott will think he drove all the way. Nuh-uh, Scott's in the living room. He didn't hear me say that. Yeah. Okay, you can drive, Dad. I said, okay, you can drive. I know I can.
Yeah.
Wow, Dad, it feels so good to hear you talking.
Where's your face, sis? Where's your face?
I know. I don't know. Well, I don't know where my faith went. All I know is I saw my dad in really bad shape when I was there, and I didn't like it.
6 years ago, Dad was like this. The doctor told me on the phone, have your head hit, and I came from Minnesota to here.
Uh-huh.
My hair is up. But he made it. He went to the same thing.
Right.
6 years ago.
Well, we talked about that too. Remember when I was there, when me and Shaw were there, we were saying, watch him fool everybody. Dad, I thought you were a goner. I did. I know you. He said, tell Scott he better polish his bike every day.
Oh, funny.
Hey, Brianna. My dad just now said, he goes, tell Scott he better polish my bike every day.
He's coming
He's
for it.
gonna want his stuff.
He said.
Good.
That's all he's talking about is the deal that they made.
Well, that's good.
deal.
That's why I said
coming-
he's gonna show up and
he's
he's gonna be like, give me my stuff.
He told my mom, you better tell him ready. I'm coming to collect. Yeah.
Good. Can I say that?
Hey, Dad. Yes.
Maybe take off their shirt in the bag. I told him to get $10.
Uncle Scott, Grandpa said he's coming to collect the bike, so polish it daily.
I know.
He just said polish it.
Show up.
He said no, he's making arrangements right now to come collect.
Ask him about his bike. He's like, I got that bike coming.
Yeah.
He's like, I'm gonna be polishing my bike.
Dude, he might.
He might come to collect.
Let's give it to him, buddy.
That's
If he
so.
shows, I gotta give him
Let's take it.
That's funny.